as a woman, it is shocking, especially coming to a place. It happened in Chanakya. As a woman, it's unbelievable. Do you believe it when it happens?
No, I never believe because women always will go anywhere. If you go outside, not will think this is a safe place, this is a good place, then only we will proceed. I thought this is a fully embassy area, highly secured area, then which way safety. That's why I walked. Then there is a lot of CCTV cameras there. But he is not bothered about anything. That person came nearby to me and said he snatched his chain, tore my clothes, everything. He is going very simply is going. It means that the accused is not afraid of any government, any police. He's not afraid of.
Ma'am, are you hurt?
Yeah, I hurt here also. And he pulled my shoulder very badly. I came to today morning for a medical aid. And Priyanka Gandhi ji taken me to the hospital here. And Priyanka Gandhi madam taken me to the speaker office. Madam and myself were given complaint. Speaker assures he will take action. This is not a matter of one woman MP. This is a matter of safety of women in this country.
And ma'am, when this happened, were you shouting?
Yeah, I shouted, please help me. That guy is snatching my chain, please help me. So many men are there. Everybody is shocked, everybody is standing. Everybody afraid to come near to that case. Accused is going like lethargically is going. He's not in a hurry manner. He may be a habitual offender. Highly security area. How dare he is enter? That much of police security is lacking in that area. It's mean.
Ma'am, did you call the police? Did you call 100?
Yeah, I saw within 2 minutes, I saw the patrol vehicle. I informed the police officer where that patrol vehicle, 2 police officers were there. I informed this incident happened, that accused is going, is escaping. Go and catch hold of him. They said, madam, you give the complaint, you give your name, give your phone number. I'm telling I'm MP, please go. If you go, you can capture. They didn't bother about that. Then I have no alternative. Given complaint.
Will you raise it on the floor?
See, patrol, meaning of patrol, what is the why the patrol is here? To roaming in the road, on the road, to any safety of people of this country. And any untoward incident happen, they have to come and rescue. If they are not in the spot also. If anybody victim can go and tell the patrol police, they have to alert through the walkie-talkie. They are not alerted anything. Simply, they are taking it very simply in this thing. If he killed me, that time also he will take. MP, I am connected, well connected, I am coming and giving complaint to everyone. Common women, uneducated women, where they will go? Where they will raise their voice?
Where they will raise their voice? That's a big question which now
Congress
MP is being asked. And if this can happen with a woman MP, then imagine that what will happen to the common women.